Hello guys, welcome to Code Container. Hope you are doing well. This is Moheb and today we are going to learn HTML styles. The HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size and more. So in this topic we will learn how to set the background color, text color, font, text size and text alignment of HTML page. So let's start. Setting the style of an element can be done with the style attribute. So let's take an example. How can we set the background color? The CSS background color property defines the background color of an element. So we can take an example for that. So let's start. So I'm going to write some headings and paragraphs in body tag. The heading 1, this is a heading, and to set the background color we have to go in body tag, and I will write the style attribute and then set the property, and I will give the value. The property is background color, and the value will be the name of color which we have to set. So let's see. Color has been changed. So now we will set the text color, and we will use a cascading style sheet color property which defines the text color of an HTML element. So we will go to the paragraph tag and we will write the style attribute. The property is color and the value will be color name. So we have changed the color of heading and paragraph. So now we will set the font of the heading and paragraph. So the cascading style sheet font family property which defines the font. So we will write the style attribute, and the property is font family, and the value will be the font name. So you can see the font has been changed. So now we are going to set the size of the text. So the cascading style sheet font size property that defines the size of text. So we will write the font size property, and the value will be the size of the text, and we will see the size will be changed. You can see the size has been changed. Now we are going to set the text alignment. The cascading style sheet text align property which defines the alignment of the text. So we will use the text align property, and the value will be where you want to set the text, in right, center or in left. So I am going to set it in center. So now let's see. the alignment has been changed in the center.